Okay, I'm taking this video because I want to record the high-pitched buzzing sound that's coming from my 27-inch iMac. Now you can hear it with no buzz. Now let's boot it up. That's where it's coming from. And once it's booted up, I'll show you that when the brightness is raised, it gets quite a bit louder. I've got the brightness set down as low as it will go at the moment. Already you can hear it, like an angry wasp or something. Oh, there we go, it's got quite a bit louder. Okay, just see, brightness is as low as it will go. Now let's see what happens when we turn it up. Now sounds like 100 angry wasps. Okay.